Trying to take this serious now with these raps. I don't know where I've been, lost, been now. Been through a lot of problems and pain. That's why I guess I'm here now. Ready for the war that the industry ready to bring. The music is all we try to reflect. Try to shine and try to remain. Try to remain. Trying to remain. Trying to remain. And I don't wanna be that guy losing my lossless. I don't know why I don't support this. My mind is this now. I cannot be me. I am just that guy copying off TV. Seeing so many people that wanna be me. Then I see some people that I wanna be them. Is it just the vice versa? Flip flop. This I don't hurt you. I just want to make sure we purple shining forever. Gonna come shut the hearts and put it up the sky. And make sure we smart, then put out the notes, then make sure we mark, highlight everything, then started from the start, then you get back where you started at, then you see everything that you've been through, like yeah, I done that, jack, like Jack Turkey, 70s cats when they rap, yeah, cold is ice, baby, and I shine forever, like yeah, lately, as I'm coming through, as you never gonna see me, I don't know why it took so long for me to be me, I am too old to be now getting great, I don't know why I made so many mistakes, but them mistakes is reason why we great, one day, if we keep it up, we'll be eating steak, that's the time that you're trying to be, that's the time that you're trying to see, we don't want to be nobody that we can't be, we ain't trying to be no gang members, you can't see, I don't know why everybody be lost, but I know why every time I fly up to the sky and I come right down as I represent better than I ever did. Now, yeah, I don't know why it took me so long to get back to this level that I'm on. I can tell you one thing that I learned, it sometimes takes so long, sometimes it 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 takes so long, yeah, so all these rappers that wanna be hot, they don't know why they stop, they just keep playing around with their rap, they don't know why the guy got the map, got the radios, got the money, got the cars, got the stars, got all the production and the support and the fans, and they don't understand, and they sitting there stressed out like, yeah, that's the plan, won't you get back to your stunting stuff with your Lamborghinis and that big coke stuff, big money talk, chain cars and your stuff, why you playing around, why you trying to be us.